Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the bond forfeiture calendar for October 23rd, 2025. This is the 10 a.m. calendar of an 11 o'clock calendar and a 1 o'clock calendar. So these are four cases where individuals have missed one or more appearances before the court. And this is courtroom 304's Clayton County State Court. First name on the calendar is Isidore Noel Hernandez. Isidore Noel Hernandez. Can y'all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Judge.
All right. So a forfeiture of recognizance has been filed.
Well, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that last part.
I'm sorry. Forfeiture of recognizance has been filed.
Yes, the state would request a rule absolute.
All right. Rule absolute will be granted. Dominique Anita House. I do not see an attorney attached to Ms. House. A forfeiture of recognizance has been filed. Dominique Anita House. Deputy, is there anybody in the courtroom?
No, Your Honor, there's no one here.
All right. So I just, I'll know if they're not answering by video, then they're not here.
The state requests a bench warrant bond forfeiture.
Oh, in this, there's a forfeiture, so it'll be a rule absolute.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Then for Stephen Anthony Howard, forfeiture of recognizance has been filed. Stephen Anthony Howard. All right.
I'm sorry. This defendant is deceased.
Oh, okay. Stephen Anthony Howard. So this case, is the case going to be no problem?
Yes, it will. I believe that it's been a bench warrant set aside has already been submitted for signature. And it will be null prost.
Okay. Daquan Jackson. Last call for Daquan Jackson. Okay, forfeiture. Yes?
Yes, I was going to, request a bench warrant bond forfeiture.
Okay.
This person is not wanted, so I don't think they've been
Yeah, I don't have any information for them. Ms. Tortorello is a Lister Holton Dennis client, and they're not wanted, but there has been a forfeiture of recognizance filed.
Okay. There's the state's issuing a bench warrant today, or has there already been a bench warrant filed for?
I don't see a bench warrant. I don't know why there's a forfeiture unless there was a previous bench warrant and then I guess that the bench warrant was recalled.
Your Honor, if I may clarify.
Yes,
ma'am. The
ma'am.
bench warrant was requested and sent to the jail, but it was not activated. So we don't, if we need to redo it, it will be done today. Or we can try to push the old one to get inserted into the system today. So it's more so about what you would like us to do.
Okay, so they didn't put the bench warrant in the system?
Right, it was sent over, but it was not activated.
Oh.
So normally we'll either reset them so that they can have another opportunity to show, or we'll redo it the bench warrant for today.
Okay, Ms. Tortorello, any indication of Mr. Jackson having knowledge of these hearings?
Not per my knowledge, Your Honor, but it is helpful, so I can go ahead and send a letter if there is a bench warrant actually issued today.
All right, bench warrant bond forfeiture will be issued.
Your Honor, sorry, for on page 1, Dominique House, who also is not wanted, I think the same case.
Yes.
Yes.
So we'll do the same for Dominique House. Bench warrant bond forfeiture. Thank you. All right, so the next case is also Lister Holton Dennis Carl Edward James. He is listed as wanted and a forfeiture of recognizance has been filed.
They would request a rule absolute if he's not here.
Okay. Any indication from the defense that you all have had contact?
No indication, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Rule absolute will be granted. Eric Hakina Johnson, and that's Eric with a K. Hakina Johnson is wanted, and a rule and a forfeiture has been filed.
State would request a rule absolute if he's not here.
Okay. Anything from Lister Holton Dennis on this client? right.
Nothing on this client, Your Honor. No, from my understanding, we have not had contact with him.
Okay, then a rule absolute will be granted. Um, Centavia Nicole Johnson is wanted, but a consent order has been signed in this case. Thomas Earl Johnson is wanted. There is an open forfeiture of recognizance.
State would request a rule absolute if he's not here.
All right, rule absolute will be granted. Jason Court Darrell Jones. Jason Court Darrell Jones.
I believe that's been closed.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh. Lincaris Sanchez Jones, that's closed also.
Yes.
That
Lawrence,
case needs a bench warrant recall, even though it's closed and
been-
still wanted.
It's been submitted.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
thank you. All right, so Michael Terrell Lawrence, wanted, and a forfeiture of recognizance has been filed. He is also a client of Lister Holton Dennis. So,
If he's not here, state would request a rule absolute.
all right, he is not, rule absolute granted.
And for the record, we have not had contact.
Okay. Capricia Mack, that case is closed. Kanaya Kareen Mack. Kanaya Kareen Mack is wanted. Notice was returned and there's a forfeiture of recognizance filed. Kanaya Kareen Mack, the court is going to grant a rule absolute.
Judge.
Chancellor Denzel Maddox, that case is closed. Ernest Welton Mays. I do not see an attorney attached to that case. Mr. Mays, M-A-I-Z-E, is wanted, and the court is going to grant a rule absolute on the forfeiture of recognizance. Kareem Ali Manuel, that case is closed. Vernon Maurice Marable. Vernon Maurice Marable, a surety has been, order has been signed in that case.
Your Honor, we have not had contact with that client.
Okay.
State would request a rule absolute.
So instead of the rule absolute, the surety order has been filed, so he'll remain wanted. He just will
Okay.
bond on his case. All right. Debt or bond holder or an underwriter. Dedrick Randolph Martin.
Your Honor, he was
yes.
on Tuesday's jail calendar, present, and I believe the bench warrant was set aside for that case.
Okay,
He pled not guilty.
not guilty. Okay. All right, y'all have consistent information for Mr. Martin and how to reach him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. LaSparkle, Rashay McClure. LaSparkle, L-A, Sparkle, Rashay McClure. They are not wanted, but there's a recognizance filed, so I'm gonna go ahead and issue a bench warrant bond forfeiture. All right. Lasagna McConnell, Miss McConnell's case is closed. She was just on our calendar. All right. Rock McCoy, R-O-C-Q-U-E, McCoy, is wanted and a recognizance has been filed. The court is going to grant a rule absolute. That's on 2 cases. Rule absolute will be granted. Samuel McCray is wanted.
Consent, I'm sorry, consent order's been filed?
Yes. Nigerian Tremont McKinney, a consent order has been filed in that case. All right. Omar Mendoza is wanted. Omar Mendoza. Forfeiture of recognizance filed. The court is going to grant a rule absolute. Marquez Deshaun Mitchell, that case is closed. Both of his cases are closed. Shamari Mitchell, that case is closed. Robert Eugene Mobley is wanted. There's no attorney attached to that case. Robert Eugene Mobley. The court is going to grant a rule absolute. All right. So that concludes the calendar for 10 a.m. We'll be back at 11 a.m. for the 11 a.m. calendar and then at 1 for the 1 p.m. calendar. Thank you.